Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we'll talk about the strep throat. Strep throat, also known as streptococcal pharyngitis, is a bacterial infection that affects the throat and tonsils. It is caused by the bacteria group A streptococcus, specifically Streptococcus pyogenes. Common symptoms of strep throat include a sore throat, difficulty swallowing, swollen tonsils, red and white patches in the throat, fever, headache, and sometimes swollen lymph nodes. It is important to note that these symptoms can also be caused by other conditions, so a medical diagnosis is necessary to confirm strep throat. To treat strep throat, antibiotics are typically prescribed. Penicillin or amoxicillin are commonly used, but in cases of penicillin allergy, alternative antibiotics such as erythromycin or clindamycin may be prescribed. It is important to complete the full course of antibiotics and as prescribed by the healthcare provider, even if the symptoms improve, to ensure that the infection is completely eradicated. In addition to antibiotics, there are some home remedies and measures you can take to relieve symptoms and promote recovery. Here it goes. Number one is to get plenty of rest to help your body fight the infection. Second is to drink warm liquids like herbal teas, broth, or warm water with honey and lemon to soothe the throat. Third is to gargle with warm salt water, usually constitutes of 1/2 teaspoon of salt in 8 ounces of warm water to reduce throat inflammation and pain. Next is to use over-the-counter pain relievers like acetaminophen or ibuprofen to alleviate fever, sore throat, and headaches. Follow the instructions and consult a healthcare professional if needed. Number 5 is to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids such as water or warm beverages. Next is to avoid irritants like cigarettes, smoke, and polluted environments as they can worsen throat irritation. And finally, use a humidifier or inhale steam to moisten and soothe the throat. It is important to note that strep throat is highly contagious, so it is advisable to take precautions to prevent its spread. This includes practicing good hand hygiene, covering your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing, and avoiding close contact with others until you have been on antibiotics for at least 24 hours and your symptoms have improved. Remember, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and appropriate treatment for strep throat. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you learned something about strep throat and how you can treat it. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see you then.